GeoAmps offers a suite of products that can be configured to meet your business needs, providing solutions that are unmatched by any other data management system. Through a real-time web database, mobile applications, detached capability, and GIS mapping, our software solutions work together to streamline your organization's processes and assist with your development and ongoing management of your projects and assets. Regardless of whether you're in the office, on the job site, or in a remote location, GeoAmps provides technology that helps you stay informed and connected. We offer a wide range of industry-specific products, from managing pipelines, transmission lines, wind farms, solar farms, mass transportation, and other projects involving land rights and infrastructure. Each of our products is designed to improve workflow for team members across your organization, promoting engagement, accessibility, time savings, accuracy, accountability, efficiencies, and compliance. At GeoAmps, we're committed to innovation and excellence, one client at a time.